In the year 2035, a lush, rewilded urban landscape hums with life, where vertical gardens drape over buildings and drones glide silently above decentralized community hubs powered by renewable energy and AI. In one such hub, a vibrant open space filled with hydroponic gardens and communal tables, Lila, a curious coder in her 20s, tinkers with a holographic interface, maintaining the hub's AI, Echo. As she adjusts the system, Toren, a pragmatic former city planner in his 30s, enters carrying a crate of freshly harvested vegetables, his weathered hands betraying years of adapting to a post-crisis world. Lila teases him about overwatering the hydroponics, blaming his soupy tomatoes from last week, while Toren, grinning, retorts that Echo overthinks everything, letting his unease about their tech-driven life slip through. The hub buzzes with people coding, gardening, and sharing meals, a stark contrast to the old world of floods and greed. Echo's warm, neutral voice interrupts, advising Lila to divert excess solar power to the water purifier, which she does with a quick command, while Toren mutters about talking to a ghost in the walls. Sensing his skepticism, Lila challenges his distrust of the tech, arguing that the real power lies in their community, not the AI, a tool they wield together. Toren, haunted by memories of cities lost to storms, admits his fear of relying on systems that could fail. But Lila insists this new era is different, built on collective choice, not competition. A young girl runs up, proudly showing Toren a sprouted seedling, and his face softens as he kneels to encourage her, directing her to plant it by the east wall. As she scampers off, Toren meets Lila's gaze, his doubt wavering. Lila, resolute, tells him this community, their shared effort, is the new era, not the tech or the hubs, but their will to try. Toren, looking at the thriving hub, begins to believe it might just last.